Vegetable stew is a nutritious, delicious stew that you can make when you have much money and at the same time make when you don't have much with you. It is economical and nutritious, and at the same time you can make it when you have much money depending on how you want to make it. So this is how I made this vegetable stew. I started by preparing the vegetable I used. Here I used ugu leaf, which some people also call pumpkin leaf. I used water leaf, 2 bunches of water leaf. I use amaranthus. So this is the three combination of vegetable I used for this. So I have to cut all of them. I cut them at the same time, mixed all of them while cutting. As I'm done with that, I started preparing the vegetables too. I dried the pot and added vegetable oil. So as I added vegetable oil, I allowed it just for 10 seconds and added the onion that I used. I didn't add all my onion. I divided the onion into two. I'll still add it at the end of it. So I added little tomato paste. I didn't use much tomato paste, just a little of it. So I added it and I turned all of them together and fry. I fry for just 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, I came back and I started adding my ingredients. I added water from the fish I've steamed. Then the next, I turn it and I added Maggi. I use no Maggi, but you can use any Maggi of your choice. And then I added garlic that I pounded. After that, I added fresh pepper. Then the next, I added salt. After that, I added crayfish. After adding the fish, I turn it together and cover it. Cooked it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I came back to check. And I have to open it to add other remaining ingredients. Here. I added fish. After adding fish, I have to turn together. Now it is time to add the remaining onion. So I added it inside the pot. So as I added it, I have to turn it again. After that, I started adding the vegetable inside the pot. So while cooking vegetable stew, you need not to add too much water, because as I'm turning this thing, you're seeing the bottom of the pot, you may be thinking that there is no much water inside. But with time, as the vegetable is getting done, it will be bringing out water naturally. So vegetable contains water, water leaf contains water, amaranthus contains water. They will all bring out their natural water. Some people don't even add water at all, but for me, I add little water. So after turning it, I cover the pot and I cooked for just only 10 seconds. This is because you don't need to cook vegetable too much. If you want that vegetable to maintain its vegetable nature, when you cook it too much, it will go down and even the nutrients and everything. So just 10 seconds and I turn everything. Dished it out and it is time to bring your white rice and begin to enjoy it. This is one of the simple nutritious meal you can think of.